Hello learners, good day! If you are watching this right now, click like for your attendance. Then say hi to all those around you. Now let us play the CSMCR. BFC to the third power game. At the end of the game, you will be able to unlock the given code. The first letter C will help you to explain the function of communication. SMCRBF will enable you to identify the elements of communication. C3 or C to the third power will enable you to explain or describe the nature and process of communication. Okay, game begins. Those who are online, play with me. Then send your answers right away for the record. The process of conveying meaning, adoration, attention, explanation, communication. What is the answer? Starts with letter C. Correct. Communication. How do you call the initiator of the communication process? Source, speaker, sender, all of the above. What's the answer? Correct. All of the above. The idea or concept being delivered. How do you call that? Channel, message, receiver, or speaker. The answer is, you're right, message. The means or medium of communication. Telephone, tunnel, channel 2, channel. The answer is, yes, that's right, channel. The one who receives the message from the source. Listener, encoder, audience, feedback. The answer is listener. Yes, listener. It is called the barrier to effective communication. What's that? Noise, loud music, soft music, or faulty connection or faulty wiring. What is it? The answer is noise. Great. It is an integral part or element of human communication. Messenger, television, feedback, or Facebook. What's the answer? The answer is feedback. You are right. It is a situation where the elements of communication process take place. Communication breakdown, communication strategies, communication process, or communication context. The answer is communication context. Correct. This refers to the systematic flow or steps we take in order to achieve a successful and effective communication. Communication strategies, communication process, communication context, or all of the above. What's the answer? The answer is communication process. That's right. Here's your last question. Communication takes place anytime, anywhere. True or false? The answer is true. Reflection. Communication is sending meaning. There is no meaning without understanding. Therefore, There is no communication without understanding. Reflection number 2. Communication is a process that takes place anywhere, anytime within a communication context. For your assignment, make a 3-part essay about today's reflection. Elaborate by giving specific examples. That's all for today. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.